YouTube is one of the most popular video sharing platforms on the internet, with millions of users creating and watching content every day. What many people don't realize is that YouTube can also be a great source of income if you know how to monetize your content. In this video, we will explore the various ways to make money online with YouTube. Number 1. Become a YouTube partner. The first step to monetizing your YouTube channel is to become a YouTube partner. This will allow you to earn money through advertisements that appear on your videos. To become a YouTube partner, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watching in the past 12 months. Once you have met these requirements, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Number 2. Enable monetization on your videos. Once you are a YouTube partner, you can enable monetization on your videos. This means that advertisements will appear on your videos and you will earn money from the ad revenue. To enable monetization, go to your YouTube studio and click on Monetization on your channel. From there, you can enable monetization on your videos. 3. Create engaging content. To earn money on YouTube, you need to create engaging content that will attract viewers. You should focus on creating content that is relevant to your niche and audience. This will help you build a loyal following of viewers who are interested in your content and will be more likely to engage with your videos. Number 4. Use keywords in your video titles and descriptions. Using keywords in your video titles and descriptions can help your videos rank higher in the YouTube search results. This will increase the visibility of your videos and attract more viewers. Make sure to use relevant keywords that accurately describe your content. Number 5. Promote your videos on social media. Promoting your videos on social media can help you attract more viewers and grow your channel. Share your videos on social media profiles and encourage your followers to watch and subscribe to your channel. You can also use social media to interact with your viewers and build a community around your channel. Number 6. Use affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money on YouTube. You can promote products and services related to your niche and earn a commission for every sale that is made through your affiliate link. Make sure to disclose that you are using affiliate links in your videos. Number 7. Sell merchandise. Selling merchandise is another way to earn money on YouTube. You can create merchandise related to your channel, such as t-shirts or mugs, and sell them to your viewers. You can use a service like Teespring to create and sell your merchandise. Number 8. Create sponsored content. Sponsored content is when a brand pays you to create a video promoting their product or service. This can be a great source of income, but make sure to only promote products and services that are relevant to your niche and audience. Be transparent with your viewers and disclose that you are creating sponsored content. Number 9. Join a multi-channel network. A multi-channel network, or MCN, is a company that manages YouTube channels and offers services like monetization, promotion, and content creation. Joining an MCN can be a great way to grow your channel and earn more money. Make sure to do your research and choose an MCN that is reputable and offers services that are relevant to your needs. Number 10. Create a Patreon account. Patreon is a platform that allows creators to earn money from their fans. You can create a Patreon account and offer exclusive content or perks to your subscribers. This can be a great way to earn a steady stream of income from your most loyal fans. In conclusion, making money on YouTube requires dedication, hard work, and creativity. You need to create engaging content for a profitable YouTube channel.